Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled onions Guyanese style, easy method. Combine white or cane vinegar with water, sugar, and salt in a saucepan, then heat just until sugar dissolves. Add whole peppercorns, bay leaves, and sliced Scotch bonnet if you want heat. Pack onions tightly into hot jars, pour brine over them, and leave a half-inch headspace before sealing and cooling to room temperature. Simmer the brine gently and avoid a rolling boil to keep the vinegar's bright acidity intact. Stir until all sugar dissolves and then taste. Adjust sugar or salt in small increments for the balance you prefer. If you want a spicier kick, add sliced Scotch bonnet to the brine briefly, then remove or leave it in. Pour the warm brine over onions in jars and leave some headspace before sealing them closed. Hey, quick break, if this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation. I often read cook notes and grocery lists on a compact e-reader like the Kindle Paperwhite, which is perfect to keep by the stove without risking spills. Check the description for the link and other deals if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. After sealing, let jars cool on the counter until they reach room temperature, then transfer to the refrigerator to continue pickling. The onions will be pleasantly tangy after 24 hours and reach optimal flavor in about 3 days, with texture remaining crisp if refrigerated. For long-term storage, process jars in a water bath canner to make them shelf-stable, then label with the date and enjoy within the recommended time frame for best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.